How to use Walmart rewards and cashback in application. Welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can use Walmart rewards and cashback in the Walmart application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Walmart application, then sign in into your account, and here make sure that your account is linked with Walmart Pay or a Capital One Walmart Reward Cash. So if you have linked your account with Walmart Pay or Capital One Walmart Rewards, then what you have to do is navigate to your account icon at the bottom right corner. Under your account section, you have to scroll through it and search for the option as Walmart Rewards. So you may find Walmart Rewards under this account section. So if you could find it, scroll through it and search for it, tap on Walmart Rewards, and there you will find all of your available rewards balance, which is your cashback that you can use towards your purchases in Walmart. Now, if you like to go normally by adding the items on the cart or by shopping as usual, then you have to browse the items, add your items onto the cart. Head over to your cart at the top right, then head over to continue to checkout. Now on your checkout screen, you can scroll through it and then you have to look for the option or the toggle that says apply Walmart rewards. So make sure to turn it on to use your cashback towards this order. And here make sure that you're using your Walmart Pay or your Walmart Reward Credit Cash to earn even more cashback. And just like that, you have used your Walmart rewards to save money instantly. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.